how you drive, right? Hey.
Shortcut.
Cab as soon as you can send one.
Anyways, we're all in the car, we're all driving, and obviously the car is driving in a straight line and there was no curve at the end of the road, and it projectile motioned this way. And then, are we dead? That is the mathematical problem that we're trying to solve here. The good news is that we don't actually need to consider the x direction. We don't care about how far we traveled in this direction, x. All we care is about the y trajectory, downwards. So, you're gonna love this, chat. You're gonna love this. Assuming we ignore air resistance and any kind of rotational aspect to the cars, and like, because the car was dipping, do we need to take the dip into consideration? Assuming a vacuum, classic physics, let's calculate if in that GTA scene, we actually die. Okay, so we actually have a lot of pieces of information. Number one, in the y trajectory, our initial speed is a big fat 0. U is equal to 0. The time that we spent in the air, we just calculated, is precious. We have the initial speed u, we have the time it took before we crashed, t, and another thing that we have is the way we're speeding up is acceleration due to gravity, 9.81 meters per second squared, assuming now, and this is a bold assumption, that GTA is our universe, set in our universe. So here are some of the equations of motion. E is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. And v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Okay, so the thing that we're looking for is S. S stands for displacement, A is acceleration, T is time, U is initial speed, and V is final speed. So S is displacement, which is just a fancy word for distance with direction. So let's think about it. Which equation do we use? We have U, we have T, we have A. Do you know what? Let's calculate V. Let's calculate the final velocity of the car right before it crashes. So U is equal to 0. We don't have to sub anything in there. Acceleration is 9.81 meters per second squared. And the time it took to be in the air was 2.62. So 2.62 all multiplied by 9.81. And we have 25.7 meters per second. 92 kilometers per hour? That's so freaking fast! Our survivability is looking really grim now. Alright, let's continue with that. So what was the height of the bridge? So you can use either equation. You can use S is equal to ut plus a half at squared, or v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. We have all the information. S is equal to ut plus half at squared. Our initial speed was 0. We can cancel that. S is equal to half of gravity, 9.81, multiplied by 2.62, all to be squared. 34 meters almost. That's about jumping from a 10-story building. I was so ready to be like, ha, GTA, I shouldn't have died there. You killed me for no reason. But I'm starting to think the game might have been accurate to say that I should have failed and died.